Okay, so here we have a couple of balloons. I'm just going to show you how to let a balloon down or pop it without making a noise. You might have a house, you may be quite, instead of doing, which is obviously going to make a lot of noise and potentially wake someone up if they're sleeping or just for whatever reason, just take the top end of the balloon with a bit of loose bit, just cut that with a knife, and then you can just let the balloon deflate on its own. There we go. Simple as that. Please like or subscribe. That'd be very, very helpful. Thanks very much. Bye.